guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling, out here to give an update on this remodel project in Carmel we have going on. Done a couple videos and pictures. Wanted to give a progress video on this one. As you can see, we've got some of the siding and trim up. This is actually H pewter siding, and this is a linen trim. You can see kind of as it's coming together. On the right elevation here, we have partial siding complete and trim. You can kind of see how this one's going to shake out as far as from a design standpoint. We will be putting a transition board up through here. We'll have shake at the top and lap siding at the bottom. Be doing the same thing on this elevation as well. Just wanted to pop on and show a quick update on this one. As we are getting closer and closer to finishing the product, you can see that we've replaced the fascia trim, also all the freeze trim. A lot of contractors try to avoid doing that. We frame everything in and do it the right way based on the manufacturing specifications to prevent any future fall offs from the trim, as a Hardie is pretty heavy as a substrate. So we've replaced all the fascia, eave line, rake line here, got the gutters back up for the most part. And so yeah, want to pop on, give a quick update as this one's coming along. Thanks for tuning in. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.